Hello everyone, my name is Harley Kraus. Today I will be showcasing our Sprint uh, 2 for our capstone project this month. The change list is 885334, as you can see here. So I'm going to go into Jira and talk about my stories. So as a player, I'm on a level where I'm able to find different types of weapons to use on enemies. The player will arrive at a set of train tracks and in the distance see a derailed train. The player then will move towards the train and be introduced to the rifle. The player then will fight enemies outside the train in order to push up to the back of it. Once they enter the train, the player will find a shotgun and face AI. The player will need to fight AI through the train and push to the front train. The player will exit out the train car to the front, see where I got derailed, and be introduced to the bow. Players then will kill the remaining AI and exit the level. Win condition is that they reach the end of the level. Last is that the player dies. How does this tie in? The player will be introduced to different types of weapons for different situations. For design philosophies, I want the player to utilize the strengths of each weapon based on the situation. Points of interest are the starting tracks, the train, inside the train, bodies at the front of the train. The enemies are bandits and coyotes. Completion criteria is that the player is introduced to the rifle, the shotgun, and the bow. So first up is the bow. As a player, I want a weapon that hits hard. The bow is a high damage weapon that is good at medium to close range. Uh, the completion criteria was has sound, shoots, picks up, and does damage. Next is the shotgun. As a shotgun is a close quarter weapon and has bullet spread and does less further away. Uh, Same completion criteria, does damage, has sound, getting shoots, and picked up. And finally is the rifle. The rifle is a long range weapon that deals high damage at range. Same completion criteria, picks up, gun shoots, has sound, does damage. Alright, let's go back over here. As you can see, same change list, 885334. Launch the game. Oh, wrong level. So the player will start, see the train in the distance, there's an audio cue. Um, they will push up to this water tower, where they will be introduced to the rifle. They will be able to go up top, pick up the rifle, and shoot the enemies from a distance.
Reload. Reload.
I also put coyotes out for the player to shoot if they wanted to test again.
Reload. Reload.
Next, the player will enter up to the train, find the shotgun, and face AI. They will fight through the train in order to get to the front. The player then will reach the front of the train, find the dead bodies, and be introduced to the bow. Here the player will then fight the remaining AI. So with this combat system, I really improved the aim and how the weapons overall functioned. I added it to where the characters didn't start with weapons, but had to find weapons throughout the world, um, allowing for different slots. This, I think, really enriched the gameplay too. I accidentally shot the end level, so that's the end of my level. Thanks for watching.